Hey people, welcome back to our channel GUVI. As a front-end developer, if you are tired of switching between 5 different tabs just to fix one line of code, this video is absolutely for you. It doesn't matter if you are new to front-end or building full-scale UIs daily. The right IDE can literally save your brain from a meltdown. So today, let's talk about the top 3 IDEs that front-end developers actually use. Subscribe to GUVI before we get started. The first one is VS Code, the all-rounder. Let's start with the one that's almost everyone's heard of. VS Code. Now I know what you're thinking. Everyone talks and knows about VS Code. But that's because it works. It's simple, fast, and does not eat up your laptop's battery. You get real-time syntax checking, a huge extension library like Prettier for formatting or Live Server to preview your HTML, and even built-in Git. Think of it like a good playlist. It works for any mood, whether you're building a landing page, fixing CSS, or just figuring out what broke this time. The second one is WebStorm. Let's call it the feature-packed one. WebStorm by JetBrains is more like a premium version of everything: autocomplete, version control, built-in debugger, React or Vue support. It's all there. But the twist is, you will have to pay. But wait, it's not for nothing. WebStorm helps you with working on complex apps, and if you want everything in one neat space without downloading 20 extensions, this is your best bet for sure. You don't have to do extra setup for things like testing, linting, or integrating frameworks. It just knows. The third and final one is Code Sandbox. Let's call this one an instant setup. And finally, this is one for those times when you don't want to install anything or set up a project from scratch. It's an online IDE where you can open a link, you're inside React Vue or plain HTML, CSS, JS environment. It's perfect if you're testing out a small component, collaborating with a team, or just want to try something quickly without messing with the local machine. It's more like a digital notebook where you write down rough ideas but actually work live. To sum it up, VS Code is reliable, customizable, light, and works for most of the developers. WebStorm is loaded with features, best if you're building big and multiple projects. Code Sandbox helps with instant setup and is great for quick testing and collaboration. Which IDE would you pick? Now tell us in the comments. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video.